Hello my people, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can change your logo in Listeo theme. Even you wanna change your logo in mobile version or desktop. So this is pretty easy, so don't skip this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. Before we go into video, make sure you log in your WordPress dashboard, and then let's open our website homepage. So let me open my website homepage here. So this is our website homepage. Now we have to go to option customize option. Either you can go to your WordPress dashboard, scroll down to appearance option and click on customize. You will get same option there. So this is our customize area. To change our logo in Listeo, we have to find option site identity here. Click on it, and here you will see Listeo logo already there, but we need to upload our own logo here. So let me remove old logo. If you not yet have your logo, you can provide your site title and tagline here, and then you can adjust the height and width for your website site title here. So let me choose my logo. Click select file under logo image, select file, and now I have to select my logo file. Let me upload my logo file. I already have one, but if you not yet have logo file, you can make your logo in Canva easily. So let me select this logo, and now we have logo, but it looks smaller. Let me scroll down to option logo maximum height pixel in the pixels. So let me increase this to 80 or 85 like that. And then we have next option. If you see next option, transparent header dashboard logo image. So this we will use for transparent header. If you have a transparent logo, make sure you have a transparent logo, and that should be in the dark colors, because in transparent header our logo should be in the colors, not in white color, so that will not be visible. So make sure you, once you have a logo here in the transparent header, upload your logo file same way here. And then we have option alternative header sticky logo image. Let me open any my website page just to show you. And then if I scroll down, we have a sticky header here yet. But in alternative sticky header, you can use your different logo image here in the sticky header. Even I scroll with the mouse, our logo will be stick there. It calls sticky header. Then you can adjust your sticky look header image. If I upload any other image in alternative header sticky logo image, if I choose other image, other logo image, that will show when the header will be sticky. Okay, in the transparent header you can provide different logo file here, and then you can adjust according that. So let me go to now mobile version of my website. So downside you will see hide control, you will see desktop, tablet, and if I scroll up, and mobile. In the mobile it looks smaller. Okay, then you need to change the width in the mobile header. For the logo, just scroll down to menu top margin. um, Let me scroll down menu top margin. If you wanna give space in the header upper side, so you can use menu top margin. It will add margin in the top side. If I close hide controls, and we have margin in the here in the upper side. Let me go to home page just to show you. So how much margin you wanna keep there? If you wanna keep your header little downside, you wanna give more margin, you can adjust your menu top margin here. If I increase this, and there will be more space in the header here, this side you will see there is a more space. Okay, then I have to also increase logo max height, and you will see both side there is a space in the header upper side. You want to set to default, just to use this little refresh button here, and it will be set to default here. Now we have no any space upper side the header. For the site icon, you can use your website icon here. Select your icon. You can use your logo as site icon. If I select my logo, click select, you can skip crop, or you can crop your site icon easily, and you will see the review here this side. Okay, like that. And crop image, you have to crop your image, but in some other website, other when we use any other theme, you can skip this option to crop. But for now, this said you need to crop this, so click on crop image, and that's all. So your site icon will be changed. Don't forget to click publish every time you make changes. And then downside, you will see site icon should be 512 by 512 pixel. Okay, so let me open now mobile version of my website. Downside, click on little mobile icon, and now this is our logo looks in the mobile unit. So if you want to adjust further the height and the width, or you want to make it smaller, you can adjust your logo maximum height again here. This looks good. Let me make it 45 pixel or 50 pixel. Then you make sure you check also in the desktop right way. It look perfect now. And then let me go back to mobile version. Okay, so here we have options like sticky header, alternative header sticky logo. Let me choose my logo again here to make it sticky logo. If in the mobile version, so it will be similar logo for the mobile and the desktop version. Okay, this way you can change your website logo in Listeo theme easily. But if you want to change your menu items or other stuff, let me first publish it and go back to my customize area. So here, so we have a first option header. So let me open header, and first option slim mobile menu. Switch it on, will enable slim mobile menu for all page. If I enable this one, let's check out what effect we see here. Yeah, it will be align all the items here. If we enable the slim me mobile menu, if you not see this option, I will recommend just to update your Listeo theme. And then after it looks good, and then next is header with search form. We not have any search form. If you feel more stuff here in the logo, you can simply disable slim menu. And now we have in the upper header we have logo and menu. Downside, we have option to add listing, some other stuff. But here now you can use to enable header with search form. You can enable just enable it. Now you will see we also have search option here along with other stuff like menu, search, and my account, cart, and our logo. Logo looks smaller now. Let me first publish it. Go back to site identity again, scroll down, and I will increase little bit logo maximum height. Increase little bit. Looks good. And then let me publish, go back to same option header. What else we have here? Display cart in the header. If you don't want to display this cart, just to disable it from the header. And then we have a display my menu button. This one, my menu. You can disable it. Then you have only left logo, search, and menu. Downside, we have a side menu social icon. How you find this? Just click on menu item. Scroll down, you will find some icons here. This is the icon they are talking about. Now looks good. Now you can easily add your menu here between the header. First publish it, go back to menu options to display your menu here. Now let's check out mobile version. Looks good. Now let me go to header again, enable slim mobile menu to make it align. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, click publish. Okay, this way you can add your logo in mobile and desktop version in Listeo theme. So if I hide control, this looks very aligned. Okay, so now let's talk about you wanna change your logo in the footer section. You can easily scroll hover your mouse to this little blue wizard icon, edit icon. Click on it, or you can do one thing. Go to, this is our customized area. Go to footer options. Go to visit options, visits, and this is our first visit. Helpful link should be second visit, and contact us should be footer third column. So let's click on footer first column because our logo located in the first column. Click on footer first column, and now our logo is inside the box. There is some text. So if you wanna only change your logo, first click on it. Click on the logo, and downside you will see little pencil icon, edit it. Okay, or you can simply click here, just to cancel it. And now you want to add logo, there is no logo. Now click on add media. Now select your logo, insert into post. Okay, now one time click on the logo. There will be adjust option here. Just adjust your logo here easily. If you want to align it to left, select align left this way. You can check by close your side option. Okay, you can, if you want to use this way, you can use it. But let me scroll down. Or if you want to make it align to the middle or center, first select your logo and click on align center. Now it will be in the center. It will be changed this way. And then you have a next option to align to the right or no alignment. Select no alignment, I will recommend. It will be here. And click on the mobile version, and it looks very similar in the mobile unit as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. I will definitely reply you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.